अच्छा अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैंने टाठो गोबरो परान यथ सिविक्स मज डाइवर्सिटी एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन चैप्टर 2 यथ मज यह सवाल आज यह क्वेश्चन व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड by the term prejudice. Give one example of prejudice. Jawab amuk prejudices are opinions about certain people. Our prejudices are generally negative, and we judge other people inferior. Some examples are as villagers are dirty and not hygienic. City people are corrupt and cunning. Questions in addition to the lower costs being discriminated against, there are also various other communities that are subject to discrimination. Give some examples. Jawab yamushu Muslims, Christians, backward classes, tribals, disabled and handicapped persons. Question 3. Mention those things that make us what we are. Answer: our way of life, our languages, our dress, clothes, food, our games. Question number 4. Write features of India's diversities. Answer: the main features of India's diversities are as 8 main religions, more than 1,600 languages, which are people's mother tongue. There are more than 100 dance forms. Yem as ke sawal yem tai as weekends hoy yem likhjo copy per ताकि इमाम मन में आज का सवाल तो पका एग्जामस मज तुम हेकू पत यम याद करे तो हेकू तथ मन एग्जामस मज यम एम सवालुक जवाब लिखित इजाजत आइन वो क्या सैनिस किस्मत मन तो सह वात ब्रो कुन इंशाअल्लाह रहमान बशर्ते कि जिंदगी